Aloha romantic friends. Thank you for tuning in today's video. And so today I am going to do a video about acrylic pouring. And so this is my first video. And so in the video, I'm just going to show you some of the products that I use in my painting. And so this here, I'm using white acrylic paint, and you can actually find this at your local craft store. But this particular paint I bought was from the Dollar Tree because this is my first time experimenting with acrylic paints. Now, I am in no way a professional, and so I am just now starting this acrylic painting journey. And so if you bear with me, I'm sure I will get better at this. So these are just some sample paints that I'm using. I'm trying to mix up some white to put down on my canvas here. And so the canvas I'm using is actually a 4x6 canvas that I found at my local craft store. And so we are going to experiment with the painting. Now I'm gonna jump ahead really quickly. I've already did the pour on one of my canvases, and I could not find the video footage of me doing the first pour, but you're gonna watch me do a second pour on the second canvas that I have here. And I'm just pouring some paint on the little canvas here, and I'm just gonna move it around a little bit and get the paint into a position, or settle it into a position that I like best. And while I'm pouring these colors, as you can see, I'm using pink, orange, yellow, white, and eventually I will be adding some green to the artwork that I'm doing on my canvas. So here I'm just adding some paint in different areas of the canvas to kind of get it covered. I don't have any design in mind, of course. This is just an abstract art. Later on, my game plan is to get better at acrylic pouring using acrylic paints, because I have this big canvas that I'm going to be painting at a later date. And so I don't want to mess my big canvas up, so I decided to practice on the little canvases first, and hopefully I'll get some good results and some good, pictures, abstract pictures or abstract art from this experience. So I'm almost just about done with my painting project. And what I have, since this is actually my first painting, this is actually going to go in my personal collection. So I've decided not to, in no way, shape, form, or fashion sell this particular painting because it's my first one. But I will be making more painting videos, and hopefully you guys can give me some pointers or some critique what I'm doing. I don't mind your questions and answers. If you see I'm doing something wrong, tell me, especially because I know we have a lot of people out there that's very good with that's very artistic, not autistic, but artistic. And hopefully you enjoy my painting along the way. So this video just about sums it up. It's just a quick little video. Thank you for watching. And see you in my next video. Bye now.